Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your history from the Safari browser. To do it, open up your Safari browser, go to this little book down here, go to this little clock sign right here, then press clear, and now you can choose which option you want to do. Basically, you can delete all time, today, and yesterday, today, the last hour. I want to delete all of this history, so I'll press all time. That's it. Hope you liked this video. Please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting this video.